like autumn leaves, the proud will fall. Record on your phones and watch the bridges burn. The revolution is coming at every turn. Whispers turn into crescendo through the empty lane. A silent storm is brewing through the pain. Fractured hands still lift the sky so high. Simmering voices sing the night goodbye. All kings trampling lines where empires feared. Children and their dreams with blood smeared. Death doing the victory dance all around. The devil being throned and gloriously crowned. Oh, the world needs changing. Hear it cry. The evil should perish, providing we try. Write your anger into songs, no plain. We'll storm the gates with hurricane. Can you hear the thunder in the air? Feel the weight of things we bear. All it needs is to tear the Lincoln Field. I'll wait for solace is very much near.